And today's video, we are going to make a matcha cheese pandesal, and we are going to show you. And by the way, I'm Susan, and this is Abigail. Our ingredients, whereby Abigail will help us to introduce one by one. And here you go, Abby.
Okay, so for our ingredients, we have 3 cups of bread flour, a 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of dry active yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 large egg, 50 grams of butter, 250 milliliters of warm milk, 2 tablespoons of matcha, food coloring and cheese. As for our dredging later on, we have matcha powder, breadcrumbs and some bread flour for kneading.
Okay, so now we are going to mix all the ingredients. Of course, first we are going I will add in our food coloring. Okay, I will put 2 teaspoons of green color to make it more colorful green. Okay, mix the ingredients, the dry and wet ingredients. So now what we're going to do, we are going to remove this first, and we are going to use the extra 1/2 cup of flour for kneading. Okay, so we just put on our table. Take out your mixed ingredients. Okay, then of course wash our hands, and now it's time for knead. Okay, so make sure everything are combined well. So guys, this one you can do maybe for kneading about 10 to 15 minutes until all the ingredients combine, because now it's okay. So guys, so now mostly combined all together. So you can try we just apply on, put here. So we put over here and leave how many hours? 1 hour. 1 hour to leave over here. So of course you have to put some cover. So Abigail, can you help me to cover this, please? Thank you. Use the plastic. This is the cling wrap plastic. Okay, so we'll cover this. See, it will
Rise.
Correct. Then once this rise, after an hour, later on we will continue to do the baking later on. So yes guys, later on see ya. So after an hour, this is what we have. See.
Okay, so now we're going to set this one aside and we're going to mix our breadcrumbs and matcha.
Double up the size. Take out. Bring out. And
Natural messages.
One.
Okay, so taste test. Ta-da!
And this is our matcha
Cheese
cheese
Pandesal.
pandesal.
Okay, so
Popular.
okay, matcha is popular, easy Filipino food or bread ingredients. A new way of enjoying your pandesal and enjoying your matcha cheese. Okay, so now Abigail will do and take. Wait, you ready to zoom? Okay. Show how soft it is and yes, it's so yummy. Right? So see how so vibrant the color. Huh? How vibrant is the color of it? And maybe Abigail will try it. How you can taste the matcha. You want some water? Can I try?
Thank you for watching and
Hopefully you enjoy our video. Please share our recipe to your friends and that's it. Thank you guys. Bye.
Hannah? Hannah's my name.